Generating high-converting video ads in 2026 requires a focus on retention engineering and sensory immersion. Using Qwen3.5, you can now generate up to 5-second clips that include native, synchronized audio, including dialogue, ambient sound, and music, all from a single prompt. Create a dynamic, high-production value cinematic product advertisement 90 seconds for the DevoS smartwatch, targeting both women and men. The tone should be sleek, modern, and aspirational, emphasizing versatility, tech sophistication, and everyday elegance. Visual style. Cinematic color grading. Cool tones with pops of electric blue and white for a futuristic feel. Crisp 4K resolution, shallow depth of field, smooth camera movements, glidecam, drone shots, macro close-ups. Mix of real-world scenarios and subtle CGI enhancements. Glowing UI elements, data visualizations overlaying the screen. Scene breakdown. 1. Opening, 0-100 to 0-10. Dawn in a bustling city. A hand, gender ambiguous, well-groomed, taps the watch face. The 1.39 inches HD IPS touchscreen lights up with a vibrant, animated boot sequence. Close-up of the watch's slim, round design and brushed metal bezel. Text overlay. Engineered for every moment. Asterisk. 2. Fitness and adventure, 0-10 to 0-25. Montage of 120+ sports modes in action. A runner in a misty forest, heart rate data, animated graph pulsing on the watch face. A cyclist climbing a mountain road, GPS coordinates scrolling subtly on the screen. A swimmer in a pool, water droplets on screen, IP67 waterproof rating highlighted with a translucent, IP67, badge. Fast cuts with kinetic topography, 120 sports modes. Your coach, your tracker. Asterisk. 3. Smart features, 0-25 to 0-40. A professional in a minimalist office receives a call. They answer via the watch's Bluetooth speaker, asterisk, Bluetooth call, crystal clear, asterisk text. A commuter taps the screen to skip a song, asterisk, music control at your fingertips, asterisk. Night scene. The watch's ambient light gently illuminates a sleeping person's wrist, with a sleep quality graph fading in, asterisk, sleep monitor, wake up refreshed, asterisk. Four. Design and durability, 0-40 to 0-55. Slow motion shot of the watch surviving a rainstorm, water beating on the screen. Hands adjusting the interchangeable band, showcasing versatility for formal and casual wear. Macro shot of the touchscreen responding to a swipe, emphasizing responsiveness.
Bluetooth call.
Five. Connectivity and battery, 0-55 to 110. Animation. The watch syncs with an iPhone, Android phone via Bluetooth, stylized data streams. A traveler glances at the watch's GPS navigation, then checks the battery icon, 1 GB storage and long-life lithium-ion battery implied via sleek UI. Six. Closing, 110 to 130. The watch rests on a textured surface, marble wood, rotating to show its slim profile. Text overlay. DevoS smartwatch. Where style meets intelligence. Asterisk. Final shot. The watch face dims, leaving a glowing logo. Sound design. A soft, futuristic chime.
Bluetooth call.